everyone, welcome to my channel. Learn with me Priyanka. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. 20 general knowledge questions for competitive exams. Indian cities and their nicknames. First one, Jaipur, Pink City. Surat, Diamond City. Udaipur, City of Lakes. Ahmedabad, Manchester of India. Pune, Deccan Queen. Nagpur, City of Orange. Amritsar, Golden City. Bhagalpur, Silk City. Gur, Scotland of India. Kashmir, Switzerland of India. Jamshedpur, Pittsburgh of India. Dhanbad, cool capital of India. Bengaluru, Silicon Valley. Mumbai, financial capital. Pondicherry, Paris of the East. Bhubaneswar, Temple City. Kolkata, City of Joy. Darjeeling, Queen of the Hills. Kanpur, Leather City. Chennai, Gateway of South India. Now you people comment what is the nickname of Madurai. Comment your answer. In this video you watch 20 general knowledge questions with answers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.